Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Microsoft Word page border. So for you to do that, once you create it, just go to page layout in Microsoft Word. Once you open your Microsoft Word on your PC, definitely show something like this, on your Microsoft Word page. Then head over to page layout, then click on page border. Then right here I'm going to show you how you can simply create a simple page border for your document in Microsoft Word. So now let's get started. So this is border. Here you can decide to style your border, how you want your border to look like. You can see something like you want it. You can see let's say you want this something like this to look like this. Then you want to add a shadow to your page border. But it's more advisable, I think, you should just, since you are trying to create a document, I think you don't need a border, or if there's need for that. If there's need for shadow, just pick one. You can see depends on it depends on your creativity. Then 3D, just simply something like this. For the 3D, you can see as I'm doing it, keep changing. Then you can also set it as a custom preset. Just click on any one of these, and right here you can decide to pick the color for your border. You can pick the color for border, or you can also set the widget for the look. Let's say something like this, or you can also simply add a art. You can see we have a flower, we have so many of them. You can see this flower, this is like a palm tree or something. You can also use like ice cream. After that, then you can also come to page border. That's it. Then you can apply the shadow, depending the color of shadow you want, depends on how you want it. And also everything I'm doing depends on the kind of document you want to create a border for. So, and also once you do that, then you go back to border. Then right here you can apply. Okay, border. Then right here you can apply to the whole document. This section, particularly the current page you're working on, or this section, first page only, and designed for this page border to apply to be applied on the first page of a document, or this section, or except this first page. You can also decide this to apply on the current page and on the first page. It depends on how you want it, or you can even set to apply to the whole document. So that's it. And after that, after you set it, let's say whole document, and hit OK, and that's it. That is how to create a page border in Microsoft Word. If I need your helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.